Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. See this beautiful scrumptious delicious noodles. You're going to love it. This is low carb noodles, yes. And so before we go into the recipe, please do well to subscribe, click on the bell icon, like and share this video and leave a comment. Okay, so we are going to make use of this whole wheat spaghetti. Yes, whole wheat spaghetti. It's purely whole wheat. Yes, so it's low carb and it's good. You can eat it while on weight loss journey. Do you get it? So what I'm going to do is to take the quantity that I want to cook, and then the rest package it for next time or another recipe. Hope you get it. Yes, please like this video for me, share and leave a comment as well. Click on the bell icon, the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. If not, I'll be posting recipes and you will not know. So do well to click on the bell icon so you see how it is. Yes, whole wheat, very nutritious. So I'm going to break it into two. I already have water on fire, so make sure that you have your water boiling or hot on fire. Do you get it? So the next thing I'm going to do is to add salt to my water on fire, and I'm going to add the spaghetti to it and then stir a little, cover and give it time for it to cook very well. Okay, so we are checking on our noodles, and as you can see it's ready. And so what I will do is to put it off, and then I'm going to drain or strain the water. Okay, so I have my frying pan on fire. I'm whisking eggs, 2 eggs. What I added was coconut oil, so I'll allow the eggs to cook a little and then I will scramble it. Yes. Okay, so after scrambling it, I'm going to take it off fire, and then I'll pour into the saucepan or into the frying pan a little bit of oil. Yes, please subscribe for me, leave a comment, like and share this video. So a little bit of coconut oil, and I'm going to add soya meat or soya tofu to it. I decided to cut them into pieces. I have a video on how to make tofu, so please check the link in the comment section or the description box and watch how to make tofu. This one I baked it, so I'm adding some chopped green chilies also to it. I will fry it for some time. I'm going to add onions to it, then I will stir fry it for some time, and then I will add my carrots also to it, my chopped carrots. Yes, so I'm going to allow this. I'm going to cover, and then but before I cover, I'm going to add my seasoning to it. Yes. Okay, and then I'm going to add black pepper, white pepper. Yes, stir it together and cover. Okay, and then cover for some few minutes for it to cook. Okay, so at this point I'm going to add my noodles to it. Do you get it? I didn't use enough or much oil because I didn't want too much oil, so I just used a little that can aid the cooking. Okay, so I'm going to add my cabbage and onions, the rest of the onions to it. Yes, and I'm also going to add chili powder, a little bit of chili powder. Okay, and I'm going to add my sardine to it. Yes, 1 can of sardine. Then mix it very well, stir it very well. And the next thing I'm going to do is to add my bell pepper. Yes, I have some red and green bell peppers, and I'm going to add salt, little bit of salt to taste. Okay, so I'm going to add spring onions also. Spring onions, yes. And I'm going to add the eggs also. So I added garden peas. I'm going to add the eggs also. Stir everything together. Cover for 3 minutes for it to attract more heat, and then we will be done. You get it? Yes. So 3 minutes is up. So our noodles, low carb noodles, ready to be enjoyed. Whole wheat noodles. You get it? So this is it. So I decided to serve with some lettuce and baked beans. Serve it however you want it. You can add some sauce also to it. So this is it, looking all delicious, and the taste was great. Awesome. Let's have a taste. And hey, this is whole wheat, all right. It is healthy, but make sure you do portion control. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.